Isaai fun toy review.
Hello, the Isaai Terrio. Now pick us into the naked. Or this. I can pick us into the scissors. Let's all open it. 3, 2, 1, go. No. I'm getting the Minecraft, the Red Adventures, and the images.
Show it.
I want the pic. I want images.
You need to stand up and go down.
Okay. Just open. Okay, to open. Okay. Open. To open. Ow.
You want to open it?
Yes, please.
Oh yeah. It's my little brother Isaai fun toy review and Isaac Lego Tube, and today me and him had the same TikTok account. Tell him in the TikTok account. Okay, since it's his YouTube channel, I'm not going to talk that much like usually in my YouTube channel, my social media, like those. Yeah. For now, you want to open it?
Yes.
This is Imaginix. I don't know if we're getting sponsored by the next video. I don't know. They just said. Okay. This is nothing about Lego. Those are mine. I'm going to review on my YouTube channel. Anyway, let's go back. And I'll give some quiet.
Yeah. Whoa! So cool. You got to last Thursday. Yeah. I'm going to get this.
What is it? Okay.
I said break it then.
Yeah. It's a Wonder Twins.
I said Wonder Twin.
What kind of Wonder Twin?
This is your other.
So, Lex Luthor, Catman, Zan, Jaina, one of the Wonder Twins.
Open.
Luke, Thomas, Dr. Fate. Oh, Dr. Fate would be cool.
Look.
So, it's Jaina, the Wonder Twins.
Jaina.
Yeah, okay, show them. And a funny hawk eagle. No.
What was that? Hey, what was that? Jaina?
Yeah.
Oh.
Show them the next one.
Okay. You were about to play your Hey guys, today we were playing the toys.
Show them. What is it?
The Avengers.
What minifigure?
What is your one? There was a
Hey, where's Isaac Lego Tube?
I said Isaac Lego to the
Where's Mr. Delfino from the TikTok? Where is he? He's behind the camera. He's not here.
Let's open it.
Psych, it's no.
Open it.
No, Isaac Lego Tube will be mad. You want him?
Yes.
You want him to be happy, or you want him to be mad?
I'm gonna mad.
No, don't make him mad.
I'm gonna happy.
Yes, don't open it. We give it to him. What's the next one?
I'm gonna make.
In the next video he's going to make, I'm not going to talk
I'm
anymore.
gonna make that.
What is it?
I'm
Okay,
make that.
show him.
I'm gonna get the
You think Isaac Lego Tube will be mad or no?
Yeah.
Should we open it for him or no?
Uh-huh.
No, it's bad. You think that's a bad idea for him?
This is bad. Go to get
Oh yeah, tell Isaac Lego Tube, thank you for helping me.
I need to go to
Show him the next toy. Okay. The Lego head surprise that Isaac Lego Tube got. We have a special surprise, bro. Everybody. Show them what toy. What toy is it? From McDonald's toy, what is it? Show them. It's like Disney Zoom Zoom, but it's animal. What is it?
The fish.
Open it, mira. It's a surprise.
Wait. What to do with the
What is it? Show them in the camera.
And the fitted. The fitted.
It's a narwhal.
Yeah.
Next one. It's another narwhal.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys. The next one. The Perry from Phineas and Ferb. Perry the platypus.
The penguin.
It's Perry. Next one.
Baby.
Man, there are no more. Oh, look. Magic.
You magic.
Put the box. Oh, yeah, you forgot one toy I eat in the corner. You forgot.
This is a unicorn.
Show them in the camera.
It's in a unicorn.
Look. I'll show you the magic. Mira, cool magic.
The magic?
Look. Say 1, 2, 3, magic.
1, 2, 3. Whoa!
What is it?
This is a movie too.
Wait. Open it.
I want that.
That Isaac gave you as a good giveaway to you. Isaac Lego Tube gave you giveaway. Tell him thank you for giving me a free giveaway. Tell Isaac Lego Tube. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Yeah, it's me. So you're welcome.
Okay, open it.
Wait. We be back, you guys, and we're going to open the firm. We be back, okay?
Open it with the Batman. I'm gonna get Batman.
What is it? What they're supposed to do?
This is the Batman. Look at the Batman.
Okay, show them.
This is the Batman.
Show them in the camera.
You can get it out now.
Show them the camera.
I'm going to get it.
Show them. Show them.
The car. The animated Batman. And the really kitty and Batman. I'm going to get it.
Where's the Batman?
It's sure.
Show them how it work.
I'm going to find how it work. I'm going to find how it work.
Show them how it work. Show them in the camera.
The camera, you can look at me all the time.
The next toy. Next toy.
Okay.
Yeah. Show them in the camera, okay? Yeah. Yes. Show them.
The puzzles.
Oh, the puzzle?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Oh, that's too much, you guys.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
This is
We're going to do the puzzle on his YouTube channel in the next video, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Next video tomorrow. Okay. We're going to show the toy haul he did. We'll be back. Oh.
What kind of that toys?
What's your favorite toy?
I'm gonna get that Batman movie too.
Only one. Oh no. Tell them what's your favorite toy, kids.
My favorite is get
Tell the kids what's your favorite toy.
My favorite is get
Tell them what's your favorite toy in the comment section below. Tell them.
The